going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI to ATX-F. I'm back. Ain't had a car for about 2 months now. I had a little side swipe that was very disappointing, but my boy Derek back in APAC got me right. I'm ready to open this shit up, but can't do that on a dry fuel pump, so. We got a little bit of gas. I hold this over. I use Costco gas because it's cheap and it's top fuel. As far as I'm concerned, Shell is overpriced. I know V-Power is desired for cleaning properties and everything, but I don't need that. Put this in Sport Plus. There go my body guy here. But yeah, we on the way to Costco to get some fuel. I missed this. I've been driving a 4-cylinder for 2 months. Nice Bel Air hot rod. That's a Bel Air, right? I burned his ass. Real quick, open up real quick. Sir, I missed this. Woo! Listen to that shit! 15? Yeah, all right. I gotta adjust that. That infamous fender bolt. Gotta get a new fender. Floating. Skip. Missed this shit. Fucking up my flow. Fucking out my flow. Y'all not familiar with 295? It's the worst highway in the state of Maryland. You got 2-lane highways that people camp out because Maryland doesn't enforce left lane camp out. This is supposed to be the passing lane, aka fast lane, and look what this dumbass is doing. In the passing lane, quote unquote. So now we at traffic. I gotta get, I hope that is not a puncture. Yes. TPMS light just came on. I'm at 27 26. Nah, man, I was just at 27. I definitely hit something. God damn. All right, let's shit. Let's hurry up and get somewhere. Shit, I'm losing. God damn, I fucking hit something. I gotta get home. Shit. I don't think I'm gonna make it home. God damn, goddamn. It's fucking traffic. So what I'm gonna do, I need to put my summer tires on anyway. I'm gonna get somewhere, I think. Ah, shit, 21. I gotta get to Arundel Mills Boulevard, Arundel Mills, park this shit, and come up with my wife's car, put the rear AG on, because I'm losing fast. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm at 20. This shit might as well just be flat right now. Damn, 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 damn. Ain't that about a bitch. Shit, shit, shit. 18. Alright, full crisis mode. For real. So, no fast lane turns. Ain't this a bitch? Ain't this a motherfucker? I can only laugh. Wawa or shit. Let's push it to Wawa. God damn. Turn my hazards on. Ain't this a bitch? Welcome back, BWI to ATX-F. Wouldn't have it no fucking other way than I catch a damn flat the first time I get my car back. Ain't this a bitch? I can't see nothing right now. Boy, oh boy. 13, I gotta get parked, man. And these are some new wheels, rear wheels in the back. Probably shouldn't be going this fast, but time is of the essence. Alright, 13, 12. And I felt a little wiggle on that arm ramp too. That 15-mile-an-hour arm ramp. Alright. Can't make this shit up. This is must-see TV. I gotta make some calls. I'll be the fuck back. Alright, made a call. I got somebody coming and I'm just that quick. 2 minutes, 6 PSI. That's a fucking puncture that I probably don't even want to deal with patching. It's probably a sidewall puncture as quick as it's losing the hand. Alright, so instead of Wawa, 5 PSI. Ain't this a bitch? I'm gonna try to park away from Wawa. No. 4 PSI. Go this way. I hear it. Let's park. Let's fucking park. Let's park it next to CVS. At this point, this tire's probably ate up too at 3 PSI. We're gonna check it out though. Ain't this a bitch? Alright. We safe, we fucking made it. Put the e-brake on. Turn that off. Let's hop out, see the damage. Salute. It's a fucking loot. I can hear the puncture. I can't even see it. But we're gonna have to get this off anyway to really inspect it. But happy day turned into a stressful one. So here's the fix. My left side got kind of tore up. Derek brought me back to life. We got the front end PPF. Real nice. Ceramic infused, I've been informed. And the only reason why I'm on winter mode right now is because of I didn't have my car. So this is expediting the force of the AGs to be put on. So I'm gonna have to. I don't think that air is gonna hold the way that went. I got the flat kit at home. I do not have PSI pump. But ad hoc, we're about to have to take these spacers off to put the AGs on high offset just to get back home. So just wait for the cavalry to come. Yeah, so I'm on eco mode because why push it when I was in crisis? But you can tell I hadn't drove this car in a while. PSI is still at the winter pressure or the cold weather pressure. Naturally, as it gets hotter, you know, the PSI goes up. So I'm riding high. I need to adjust that, but that's besides the point. Now this video is about changing out one wheel. Man, I can't make that up, man. Hollywood, contact me, because that's necessary for a movie. The crib, got everything we need for this change. Got the wheel, of course, 2 jacks. I never thought this new jack would be the first time I need it, but here we are. Got the puck to jack up at the jack point, aka the rear diff. Got the lugs for the AGs. Got the pad for my knees. Torque sticks, 100 foot-pounds. I may or may not use those. I got this just in case of plan B. This is the OEM goo kit to plug a flat, since the RCF does not come with a spare. Got jack stands just in case. I may or may not use those. Got this just in case. Got an air compressor to make sure that this is aired up correctly. Got the impact. I need my impact gun. I did this little checklist. And then I got the my handy dandy toolbox for everything I need, and we're gonna be on our way. Get this shit done. Back with the goods. It is 91 degrees. We back in Texas, and I hope Texas is kind to me and it comes back to me, because it is hot as hell. Let's get it. Trying to look for the puncture. I think it's gonna be on the inside. I'm looking for it though. Still has some meat on this, so. I'm not saying nothing. There it is. Oh, that's patchable. That is patchable. Expecting for these to be a hard time getting off, but seasonal. Last time I ran it was a few years, so there was a little bit of seize on the hub, but it came right off, so that made my day easier. Torque stick, just because it's so hot out. Get this center, get the hand tight seated, and make sure that they do seat fully against the wheel. And we're gonna put some power on this. Get the fuck out of here. Before we drop this off the jack, we're gonna go ahead and pump it up. PSI, that's going to be 100 foot-pounds. It's going to be a higher foot-pound than OEM. Check these periodically so they don't back out. So I got the AGs on there. Spacer came out no problem. Looking icky right now, but it's going to do the job till I can get around to the other 3 corners. at the closer inspection of the tire. Where's it at? Where's it at? Here we go. Probably from being fully depressurized and the weight of the vehicle sitting on it, or even me driving on it. I'm not going to risk this. This tire's trash now, so we're going to end the video right here. No more spirited drive until we get all 4 corners correct. Been another episode of VWI, the ATX-F, the channel, and I'll catch y'all real soon. Until next time.